Good morning, everybody. Here to tie-dye a towel for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Never done a towel before, so we're very interested to see how this turns out. Just gonna do a basic spiral, mostly just see how they do. And if it does well, we're gonna do a whole bunch of cool designs on our very next filming session. We have plenty more towels. Giant disc. Giant discuses. Get banded up.
These rubber bands are really old, so
yeah, might grab some new ones, but it'll be all right. We try to use them as much as we can. Despite what our comments might say, we try not to be wasteful.
we really do try to reuse as much stuff as we can.
Yep. We reuse the bottles our dye or the little containers where powder dye comes in, everything.
Okay.
To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack.
Pizza pie.
It looks beautiful.
It does.
It's a pretty good spiral, I must
Yep.
say.
Very uniform.
So, try to do something that I think Dadu over there will like, because this is going to be for him.
Cool.
So I got some baby blue.
Baby blue.
Here's the thing with these towels. They're not 100% cotton. They are, what is it, 1486?
8614 cotton poly. We have 100% cotton towels, but we kind of just want to see how this goes because we have a lot more of these.
These we have in abundance.
Yeah.
So we hope that these end up working out.
We've only got a few of the 100% cotton ones. And even our nice big fluffy ones are 8614. Or 8812, so.
But I've always been told that if it's over 20% or
Over 80%.
yeah, over 80%, that the dye will stick. Just keep in mind the dyes only stick to natural fibers.
I'm guessing they're sewn with poly thread, and that's where the 12 to 14% comes from, but I'm not sure.
I need those scissors because this is not working.
You need the little poker for it.
Now I need the scissors.
You wanna cut it open for real.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here.
skizzer time.
Yeah. Gotta get
Okay.
it.
Watcha. Skizzers. Better Homes and Gardens, everything. We have some Better Homes and Garden towels too, I believe. We have a large array of stuff in there we're about to start dyeing up.
So I really want to saturate these really well.
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing.
I don't know how this will turn out. So
Look at that
That one,
turquoise. So we have turquoise and baby blue.
Yeah, we got baby blue, turquoise, and then I got granny apple over here.
Granny apple. Nice. Later on today, I think I might even do a tie-dye, so we'll see.
It's hard for me to share the spotlight. And then I got lime pop over here.
Oh no, it's starting to rain. We are fighting the weather, folks. That's lime pop. So all told on this one, we have granny apple, turquoise, baby blue, and lime pop. I think we might be okay. It's just a light sprinklage. Time for the flop.
Time for a flop.
Ooh.
So remember when you
It's good saturation going on there, Roman.
always remember when you flop it that your colors are now going to be reversed.
Yeah.
So now when my turquoise was up here, now it's down here by me.
Always check the amount of saturation you have on each color too. You can see as she added more and more progressively, you can see as each pour has more soaked through. She'll probably do the same thing this time, but in reverse order. That's usually what she does. That way you get a good proper gradient all the way through on both sides.
Always make sure to get your outside edge.
Yep.
Get some real good saturation. Some baby blue up here.
Baby blue.
And lastly, our lime pop.
Lime pop. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful specimen of color there. To the drying rack. Off we go. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. See y'all tomorrow.